Good morning, friends. Today we are going to solve one more question. So, today's question is about it's a very simple one, in fact. Okay, so let me choose one. Okay, so we have selected one question that was asked in one university. I forgot that name. That university is in US actually. So, this is the exercise, and we're going to solve part of it actually. Question two questions out of it. Okay. So the question is that they have selected environment and education measures on the 50 US states plus the District of Columbia. Okay, and government and political leaders use mean SAT score to make comparisons between the educational systems of different US states. So one debate is that SAT scores are higher in states that spend more money in education. Okay, so what you are going to find out the questions relating to this debate. Okay, so it's a model where CSAT score is regressed over percent square, expense, and high. Okay, when we are using square term of a variable, that means whether increasing with increase in that variable there is an effect. Okay, so percent and percent square is used in that sense. Okay, so first question, that decide through a suitable test if a policy aiming at increasing 1 percentage point citizens with a high school diploma have a positive impact on the CSAT score. Okay, evaluate in particular if a variation of CSAT of 2.5 points is a credible target for the defined above. Okay, so we have to look for this variable that is high. Okay, that high is our beta 4. So remember we write it beta 0 plus beta 1% plus beta 2% square plus beta 3 expense plus beta 4 high. Okay, so we can answer this question when we are looking for the marginal effect, because it is having asking about if a policy aiming at increasing 1% point citizens with a high school diploma, okay, have a positive impact on the C score. So our relevant coefficient is beta 4. Sorry. So any change in CSAT is actually equal to the coefficient beta 4 times change in this variable. Okay. So if beta 4 is greater than 0, okay, if beta 4 is greater than 0, and we can also look for this the relevant uh, result is, you can see on the left side. I'm just drawing this line over this. Yeah, okay, this is the relevant figures you have to look for. You can see that probability value is actually 0.00, that is less than the significance level if you are taking 5%. So this is statistically significant. Now we are going to look for whether beta 4 is greater than 0. Okay, you can see that the confidence interval for this, I'm using this line, these two. Okay, so the confidence interval is from 1.74816 to 4.325139. Okay, so since our beta 4 is not coming, since our beta 4 is greater than 0, how we are saying it? The first thing that we know that if you are going for a hypothesis test, then you'll be going for like h naught is equal to beta 4 is equal to 0, right? But out of that you can see right away that probability value is the less than significance level, so you are rejecting That means you are rejecting the null hypothesis, and it also concludes that beta 4 is significant statistically. That's number one. Number two is that the confidence level 95% confidence interval they have already given to us, which lies between 1.748 to 162 4.325 139. So you can see that our coefficient for beta 4 that is 3.03 that lies within the confidence interval. Okay, so it means that this policy is going likely to have a positive impact. Okay, and if a variation of CSAT of 2.5 points is credible target for the policy defined above, yes, it will be, because that is lying within this confidence interval. Right. So 2.5 is a credible policy. Okay. Next question is: consider now the following alternative model, which dummy variable is added about the variable west that indicates if the state considered is located on the western regions. Okay, so if it is western region, then it will be 1. Okay, if it is not, then it will be, it is not, then it is 0. Okay. Okay, so decide if marginal effects on person differ across different areas. Okay, in this case we are actually sorry, looking for the marginal effects on person differ across different areas. That means the relevant point is delta 2. Okay, the relevant concept is delta 2, and the relevant figures for us is this part. Okay, so in this line you can see that the probability value of this percent and with that interactive dummy is 0.69, and 0.69 means this is greater than your 0.05 significance level. That means you are not going to reject the null hypothesis, it is going to stay that the reject null hypothesis. What is the null hypothesis? That delta 2 is 0, right? We do that for null hypothesis. That means you are not rejecting this, so that means this is not significant. Okay, so the question that if state that question is that if the marginal effects on person differ across different areas. No, we don't think so, because if delta 2 would have been statistically significant, then only we could say, oh, yes, that it differs across different areas. But since your interactive term, that is percent times width, that is not significant, then you are saying no, it is not statistically. The coefficient of the interaction is not statistically significant. So you can't state that marginal effects on person differ across areas. Okay. That's for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.